What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see we about to get it in, man. First drive in the S10 since the road dry. So I'm about to go ahead and give y'all that video. We're gonna get it uncovered. Then we're gonna get the GoPro in there right quick. And then we're just gonna take a little short drive, like I said, first drive in it. With y'all with the camera on. Well, my second drive. But like I said, the first drive, it was in the rain and stuff. Just bringing it home. So y'all see. Get this thing uncovered. Gotta get some more of these awesome car covers, man. These best car covers ever. I'm just using wifey cover right now until her car come back, which should be very soon. Like I said, I'm rolling. I'm doing this fast, man. People don't be understanding the grind. Like we finna hit North Carolina in a minute. I like, why not go ahead and get a video in for y'all right quick. Get a vlog in. So that's what I'm doing. So get this bad boy covered, set the GoPro up. We're gonna take off. Y'all stay tuned. First thing I noticed about the truck too, when I was driving, I said it got a manual steering. It got manual steering on it, cause you got to turn or extra half a turn. I had manual steering on Cheapskate too, the steering box. It just keep you from running the power steering pump. And it actually lighter too. It's a lot smaller. You got a manual steering box on it, so you gotta do a little extra. You gotta do some more turning. So that's something good to know. You gotta know what you're doing. A lot of extra turn, and this thing is loud, man. This thing loud. Really just hit me. This thing loud. And I gotta figure this shift out. It's a mega shifter, so I'm just in drive. Won't be no manual shifting today. I'm just in drive. Trying to make it quick too. Run through the gears fast too. I'm gonna do a little pull. Straight. It got some get up. This truck is pretty straight, man. S10 though, they light. It don't take nothing to move an S10. That's what I love these dimes. And the boxes, they just some nice looking trucks. I love cheapskate. I love cheapskate, man. So they like cheapskate reloaded. Mechanism or something messed up in it, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. And if it messed up, if the shifter messed up, we just have to buy another one and replace it, because it seems like it messed up. Because it looked like a mega shifter or a star shifter. See, I already in second gear right there, and I already in third gear. Use a better transmission. We're gonna get that Showtime transmission power. That bad boy gonna do what it do then. Hit DJ up. Gonna get a 350 built. It ain't gonna bad about it. I'm gonna see what's up with this shifter. Oh, you can't, man. I don't wanna take it to track like this. I can't even go through the gears because of the shifter. Gotta take it apart. This thing is loud, man. Ready. Woo-woo. That's a lot of woo-woo. Yeah, this thing here get away from you. Golly, we got to go, boy. These radio, I forgot how much smoke they make, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking back in, man. We back. Had to cover this thing up. ASAP Rocky. Boy, I should have had a GoPro facing the back, man. I forgot. I forgot them radios on that thing. That y'all want to see a smoke show? That was it. That was it. But like when I do it, I say this. When I do it for these videos for y'all for entertainment, I be respectful. So I go to the same spot, my little area. Ain't nobody house around you. I don't believe in doing that. I used to do that when I was younger. Now I ain't gonna lie. Wild boy anywhere. But I don't do that, man. I don't do that, leaving no marks in front of nobody's house and all that and property. And I don't really do that. I don't do that. But like right there, it's nothing. It's nothing. So, you know, I try to give y'all a little show and stuff and all that. But I'm real respectful, man, and this and that. I don't be about all that. But I have to give y'all a show, man. That what they for. I mean, they some toys, man. But yeah, this little thing, it's a straight little truck. I will say that. I'm curious to see what the first and second gear hit like. Cause it go through the gear so fast, like boom, boom, and you in high gear. Literally, just like that. You in high gear, just like the Cutlass used to do. So you can't really tell nothing. I mean, well, it ain't taking RPM up high enough to even, you know, tell. And I see what this thing make power car. I can tell when you in high gear, when it kick in, boy, it go to getting down. I was just getting out of it. Cause I'm like, man, hey, I don't like stretching stuff out on the road. I really don't. I be a little nervous. On the track, that's what it for. I do what it do, but I be nervous on the road, like stretching these hot rods out. Even Dolo and all that, cause Dolo faster than this. Tell you that. Dolo way faster than this. But I be nervous, boy. Then them mother be hollering. I be like, ooh, make you think something gonna fly out these things, boy, at them RPM. But said that truck, man, pretty straight little truck, man. We got the first drive in it. Like I said, gave y'all the first drive. Came out here right quick. Hooked y'all up a video. Did this for y'all, Brown Coat gang. Y'all already know. So yeah, man, I'm finna pack this stuff up. We got to go. Stay on time. So BCG, we out.